Hi there, this is Kevin, and I just wanted to record this quick video to let you know about how to get more ideas for content. And this is a problem that a lot of people face when it comes to creating content for internet marketing purposes. So here's a couple of ways that you can use in order to create such content. First, watch the hot topics on the news. You can often take hot topics in the news and relate them to your own market, using the hot topics to generate new visitors, viewers, and leads. So basically, if you watch the news, it will be full of hot topics that are currently going around in the world. And if you can find a topic that relates to your market, you can create a lot of content around it because it will be the topic of the moment. Number 2. TV shows relating to your market. Find TV shows relevant to your market and watch what people say on them. You can either agree or disagree, or a little bit of both. Just make your opinion and back it up. And just like the first tip about the news, TV shows are also something that a lot of people follow, and sometimes these people even think that what these TV shows say is actually the real deal. So you can create a little bit of controversy by either agreeing or disagreeing with some of these topics. Either way, you create content for your own needs. Popular blogs in your niche. See what other people are posting about on other blogs in your niche. Put out something similar, or even mention the specific blog post and give your take on the subject. Like the first 2 points, blogs receive a lot of traffic, and it is even something that people follow just like they follow the news. So if you can reflect what the popular blogs in your niches are talking about, you are certain to create killer content that will get people's attention. Number 4. Popular YouTube channels in your niche. See what videos other people are putting up and what's getting the most attention, and do the same as with the blog posts. So like the blog point, you can surf around YouTube and see which YouTube channels and even YouTube videos are getting the most views, because these will be the videos that you want to focus your attention on. This is because when you create content based on these videos, it will be about subjects of the moment, and people love such subjects. Product launches. See what products are successfully launching in your niche and see what they are about, what hot buttons they're hitting, and why they are successful. You can even mention the product launch in your stuff, and you get all the attention of the people that didn't purchase. There has to be the word purchase right in there. So if you follow product launches, especially the most successful ones, you can see what is currently working in your niche. So like with all the previous examples, you can reflect and mirror the content that these product launches are all about. So watch out for what other people are doing in your niche. Affiliate articles. Many affiliate areas have articles that you can use to promote their product, and most product owners know what works, and they provide articles on subjects they know people want to know about. And this is another great one. So if you find a topic that these articles are written on and reflect these in the content that you create, you are certain to get the attention of a lot of people, because these articles are on topics that directly relate to the product involved. So watch out for what these articles say. Let's talk now about design articles. Most viewed articles in design articles. And the list of the most viewed articles is great because it gives you a list of hot topics that people are actually interested in. Because if an article gets a lot of views, chances are that, unless the statistics are faked, which could obviously happen, but if that is not the case, people will be interested in these subjects, and writing content revolving around these subjects will get the attention of people. Continuing on design articles, there's also the most published articles, and this is also great because it shows you what articles people are talking and posting elsewhere, meaning it's probably a hot topic. So always try to find the hot topics of the moment, and the most published articles on eDesign can help you do just that. Question and answer sites. These are a good place to go because you can see what questions your market is asking and then answer them. And you can even give a brief answer to the question on the question and answer site and then link to a more in-depth answer on your blog or YouTube or anywhere else. So by visiting these question and answer sites, you are getting a real insight into the frustrations that people have, and such frustrations can be turned into articles, products, and everything else. So if you go to these question and answer sites that you can find by doing a Google search, you will get a lot of insight on what people actually want. Run contests. Number 10. Instead of putting out content, just run a contest. Be creative. You can even get people to submit their own content as part of the contest, or submit ideas for content. Be creative. And this is actually something that I plan to do in the near future. So you can have some type of bonus for the winner or even winners, and you get people to actively participate in your blog or forum or whatever it is. And this will first of all save you the hassle of creating content each and every time, and it will also build your relationship with these people. Niche reports. If you see what reports are being distributed in your niche, you can see what the hot topics of the moment are, because generally these reports are well researched and can give you a great idea what your market actually wants. So have a look at the reports that are being distributed. eDesign's newsletters and mailing lists. See what other people are mailing about in your niche. You can get some great ideas from what the other people are mailing about. So people will mail about hot topics, so if you are on a couple of lists of such people, you can get a great insight into what is working and what is not. So you can always join a couple of big gurus, let's just use the word gurus, in your niche and see what's up with the current hot topics. Survey your prospects, subscribers and customers. Just ask the people what they want you to talk about, and they will tell you exactly what they need and want, and then you can just give it to them. So this is a great way to also build your relationship with your market. See what people are searching for on Google, and this one is pretty simple. Just use the Google keyword tool that you can find by searching for Google if you do not have the exact link, and see what these people are actually searching for. And chances are that if they are searching for something, they obviously want more information on it, so just capitalize on that. And finally, whatever pops in your head. So once you start using the other strategies, your brain will start to shift and think in a different way, often giving you tons of ideas of what to write about. And it is always important to trust your instinct and actually take action on whatever you think is right. So just take the ideas that you get in your head and develop them into content. So that is all for me. That's the end of the presentation. One point that I wanted to mention is that if you haven't checked out the WSO that I posted a link for in the last, I think it was 2 days ago, just do that now, because a lot of people have actually done so and they are enjoying it very much. And basically that's all for me. This is Kevin signing out, and I will talk to you in a couple of days.